Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Unique Kitchen. Today I'm gonna tell you the recipe of chickpeas, what usually we make in Pakistan. This is very famous street food because the month of fasting is coming, and usually the people they make it at the time of iftar when they break fast. So it is very nice and very quick. Okay, so here I have a boiled chickpeas, right? Or you can buy a canned one. Just throw the water and then wash it, and then these are here. All right, and here are the spices: salt, red pepper, roasted coriander, roasted and grounded coriander, and roasted cumin seed. 1 tablespoon of each, and half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of red chillies. If you don't want chilies, then it's up to you. And some green chilies and tomatoes and yogurt, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put the ingredient in it quickly, all of them, right? And then 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1, and then 2, and then these tomatoes and green chilies. And I think I forgot the onions. Yes, you can put the onions, the square shaped one, in it as well. All right, and then what you have to do, you need to mix it up. Okay, I'll come back quickly, then I'll show you how does it look like at the end once I finished